Did you know that Mark Cuban has failed in over 10 businesses, yet he's still built a fortune of more than $5 billion? What sets him apart? Is it just luck, or does he have a secret formula for success? Today, I'm diving into Mark Cuban's surprising business success formula and trying to apply it to my own side hustle. Can I turn my little project into something big? Let's find out together. And don't forget to check out www.wealtify.online for valuable content. Link in the description. Mark Cuban is more than just a billionaire and a Shark Tank star. He's a self-made entrepreneur who has turned failures into massive successes. In this video, I'll share his unique formula for business success and see if I can apply it to my own venture. Stick around and find out if his approach really works. And hey, if you like what you're hearing, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Like many entrepreneurs, I've faced roadblocks. From a lack of clarity to conflicting advice and the fear of failure, these are just a few of the challenges we all encounter. With so many voices telling us what to do, it's easy to get lost in a sea of information. How can we filter out what really matters? This is where Mark Cuban comes in. He has a no-nonsense approach that cuts through the noise and focuses on what truly drives success. He doesn't just chase trends, he prioritizes building solid foundations for his businesses. Mark Cuban is known for his straightforward style and his ability to adapt to the market. He always says, "The ability to sell is the ability to survive." But what does that really mean? For Cuban, it's all about deeply understanding your customers, offering them what they truly need, and being ready to pivot quickly when necessary. He also emphasizes the importance of avoiding unnecessary big risks and focusing on small strategic bets that can lead to significant returns. So instead of betting everything on one idea, he makes calculated moves that allow for quick adjustments. This approach is what keeps him ahead of the game. If you're finding these insights valuable, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and bring you more content on entrepreneurship and business strategies. And remember, you can find even more valuable resources at www.wealtify.online. Link is in the description. The central element of Cuban's formula is simple yet powerful. Be relentless in learning and improving every day. It's not about having the perfect plan. It's about being willing to adapt constantly. Mark says that patience can be a secret weapon. Instead of expecting your idea to be perfect from the start, focus on continuously improving it and learning from each step. That growth mindset is what helped him go from selling software to becoming a billionaire. Now I'm going to try applying these principles to my own side hustle. Let's break down 3 key areas where I'll implement Cuban's strategies. Market research. The first step is understanding my audience on a deeper level. I'm going to dive into data to identify what my target market is struggling with and how I can solve their problems better than anyone else. This means not just relying on online research, but also conducting surveys and direct feedback sessions. I want to get as close as possible to the needs of my potential customers. Small, strategic bets. Rather than going all in on a single feature or product, I'm going to start testing a few different approaches. For example, I'll launch a series of mini-campaigns with various messaging styles to see what resonates most with my audience. This could involve experimenting with different pricing strategies and promotional tactics, or even slightly tweaking my product offering. The goal is to find small wins that can scale over time without taking on excessive risk. Continuous learning and improvement. Here, I'll implement a constant cycle of testing, learning, and adjusting. Every week, I'll review my metrics to see what's working and what isn't. If something doesn't go as planned, I'll treat it as an opportunity to learn and refine my strategy. I'll share real-time results along the way, whether it's increased traffic, sales growth, or even setbacks. The point is to stay flexible and never stop adapting. Throughout the next few minutes, I'll show you the specific changes I'm making and how Cuban's principles apply directly to my situation. I'll walk you through my step-by-step plan to reshape my side hustle, from refining my product offerings to tweaking my marketing strategies. I'll be sharing real-time results, both the wins and the setbacks, so we can see if these adjustments truly make an impact. This isn't just theory. You'll get to see the practical application of Cuban's strategies and whether they actually drive growth. Let's find out together if his formula can really turn a small side project into a serious business opportunity. For example, after conducting market research, I noticed a pattern in my audience's feedback. Many people were struggling to find high-quality resources on specific aspects of entrepreneurship. So I started a pilot project offering targeted mini-courses focused on those areas. I launched these with minimal investment, testing demand first before scaling. Now, we're going to look at the results together and see if this strategy has started to pay off. Next, I ran some small-scale ads targeting different customer segments to see which ones showed the most interest. I also tweaked my website layout for a better user experience based on the feedback I got. This constant iteration is exactly what Cuban preaches: adapt, learn, and keep improving. Stick around as we look at real numbers and see if this approach is making a difference. Mark Cuban's approach to business success is all about execution and adaptability. It's not about chasing perfection, but about continuously learning and making strategic improvements. Today, we've seen how applying these principles can help even a small project evolve into something much bigger. If you enjoyed this video, please share your business experiences in the comments. What's been your biggest challenge, and how did you overcome it? Don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel. It helps us keep growing and bringing you more valuable content. Plus, visit www.wealtify.online for even more resources to boost your entrepreneurial journey. The link is in the description.